Good morning student, welcome back to math for class 11th. Today's chapter 2 miscellaneous exercise. So question number 1, if the relation f is defined as function of x is such that x square and 3x is domain 0 is less than x is less than equal to 3 and 3x the domain 3 is less than equal to x is less than equal to 10 and the relation g is defined by g of x equal to x square domain 0 to 2 and 3x 2 to 10, and so that f is a function and g is not a function, so that f of x equal to x square and 3x. Okay, this domain 0 is less than x is less than 3 and 3 is less than x is less than equal to 10. So find this domain. F of y equal to f of x. Clear? F of x is called a y. Y is the range and this x is the domain. So this function is a range and this was a domain. So lie 0 to 3. Lie is 0 to 3. So then find ki f is a relation, f is a function. So and find. So then x, this dom belongs to 0 is less than x is less than 3, means that is x belongs to range in this form 0 in capital bracket. Okay, so find y x equal to 0, so function of 0 equal to this function equal to let x square, first condition. So x equal to 0 square equal to 0 and x equal to 3, this value 3, the value 3 equal to 3 square equal to 9 and domain 0 3 and value 9, and second function of fx equal to 3x, is 3x and domain 3 to 10. So putting the value of x equal to 3, the function of 3 equal to 3 into 3 9 and x equal to 10, function of 10 equal to 3 into 10 equal to 30. Okay, and this function and this value, this function and this function. The function of 0 0 and 3, function of 3 equal to 9. This function of 3 is also 9 in this function. So this range are same, domain are same, and they both domain same, the value are also same in this function. So this value is same, so is a different, and this same and this is also same, and that is f is a function. Therefore f is a by the definition of the function, both function have common elements. Okay, so this f is a function, f is a function, and also g is not a function. So then that second case, this first case, g of x is equal to x square and 3x. This interval 0 is less than x is less than 2 and 2 is less than equal to x is less than 10. So same, this x equal to 0, then using function, sorry, g of x equal to x square. So g of 0 equal to 0 and x equal to 2, g of 2 equal to 2 square, that is 4, and second function of g 3x, g of this 2 equal to 3 into 2 equal to 6, g of 10 3 into 10 equal to 30. So this is our individually not matched to each other. It is 4 and 0 and this 6 and 3 not matched to equal function, so therefore is not a function, this is a relation, it is not a function. Okay, right? 2. And question number 2. Now let question number 2. This if f function of x equal to x square, find function of 1.1 minus function of 1 upon 1.1 minus 1. Okay. So find function of 1.1. This putting the value of x equal to 1.1. Okay. So 1.1 whole square 121. This is a y value. A function of 1 equal to 1 square equal to 1. So now putting this value in above function, this function of 1.1 minus 1.1 minus 1. Okay, this value equal to 1.21 minus this 1, 1.10.1. This one is cancelled. 0.21 upon 0.1 is that 21 upon 10. This point is 2. This, so that is equal to 2.1. That's your answer. Next, now let question number 3. Question number 3. This is the important question. Now, so find the domain and range of the function of x equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 upon x square minus 8x plus 12. This is a px upon qy. This is a rational function. Okay, rational function or rational function. Definition of rational function: q of x is not equal to 0. This not equal to 0, so this is also g of q of x is also given x square minus 8x plus 12 is not equal to 0. Okay, otherwise unity. So pi q is not equal to, this is a function. So q is not equal to 0, and you can factor, and 12 6 6 to the 12, x minus 6 and x minus 2 is not equal to 0. So then domain in this x is not equal to 2 and 6. This is domain. The 2 is not equal to 6, or other numbers is 0. So this is also belong to real. So other numbers without 2 and 6 is also a domain. So domain, this is not equal, so not is a minus. So from domain of f is real minus 2, 6. Okay, without 2 and 6 is also domain. And range is also given in this function. The range of f is lie in r minus 2, 6 also. Clear? The domain is given, so also range will come into your function. Next question number 4. Function of x equal to under root x minus 1. F defines such, then find domain. Find domain. So f of x is also given. So this in this function x minus 1 is greater than equal to 0. In this condition, under root a value a is the belongs a is greater than equal to 0 according to question polynomial. Okay, so this function is x. So x minus 1 greater than, so x greater than equal to 1. So this is also domain, but x is greater than equal. If x equal to 1, so this domain is function range is 0. Only find domain. So domain is greater than 1. That is this type is equal to 1 and greater than of infinity. less than infinity. Okay, greater than 1, greater than, you use capital, greater than and equal, greater than equal capital 1, and this small infinity, so on. This is the range of the given functions. If any case के function of x equal to under root, putting 1 minus 1 is under root 0, this is also 0. Okay, so range y equal to more than, to suppose under root 2 minus 1 equal to under root 1 equal to 1, so more than 2, this is a positive, so this positive range a positive domain. So then question, range of f is equal to 0 or positive infinity, and then infinity. Okay, so lie in, so on. So this is a range 0 start to less or 1 to infinity range. Range and domain. This is a domain. Clear? Now question number 4. This is also question number 4. Okay? 3 is given. Okay. 5. Find domain and range of the function. Most important question. Function of x equal to modulus x minus 1. The x minus 1, modulus function, modular value is a positive value. All values is positive. Okay, so now let x minus 1, x is equal to 1, so function of x equal to 0, yani y equal to 0, and x equal to 2 in this one as a so on, then positive value, this move in positive direction. Okay, so x minus 1 in the y graph, you can show x dash x and y dash, this is origin. X minus 1, this x minus 1 is positive value, the x minus 1 equal to 0. If any case x equal to 1, then function of x equal to 1 minus 1, that is 0. So this x equal to 1 to this 1, and y this is also 0. So move this direction graph as okay, y graph this side. So modulus value this also given to this type graph. The function of x is there, then domain range, and so domain x equal to 1, not 0. Okay, so more than 1, so x is positive value, so x to 1, the domain is 0, and x equal to 2, x equal to 2, so 2 minus 1 modulus equal to 1 minus 1, this is a 1. So this domain start 1, x minus 1, this starting point 1, so starting point 1 is equal to 1 and positive, and range is also range this 1 equal to 0 and 2 to infinity. Okay, this type question, that is your answer. Now question number 6. Now let question number 6. F x comma x square upon 1 plus x square such that x belongs to real. Okay, x belongs to real. So domain and range are belongs to real. The function f r to r, function such that r to r. Determine the range of f. Find range. Determine range. The real to real. So real function range only second function, second element of a function is called a range, right? So this is a function range, or this is also domain. So f x is domain. X square upon 1 plus x square is a range. Okay, so coordinate comma x comma y, so y equal to function of x, y equal to function of x comma y. Clear? So you can say x comma function of x is a coordinate of this. Clear? So this function of x equal to x square upon 1 plus x square. Okay, so let y, this y equal to x square upon 1 plus x square, this cross multiply, y 1 plus x square equal to x square, change this left side, y 1 is y x square minus x square, this equal to 0. Okay, this change in quadratic form, x square y minus 1 plus y equal to 0. So this type question which is quadratic equation, or this quadratic equation, this is quadratic equation, the discriminant is greater than equal to 0, and find discriminant of quadratic equation. This b square minus 4ac is greater than equal to 0 is a function. Clear? So this belongs to real. For real value, b square minus 4ac greater than equal to 0. So find the value of s. Use a equal to coefficient of x square y, and this x square y minus 1 plus y equal to 0. So b is absent, so b equal to 0, and then a equal to y minus 1 and c equal to y. So putting this value 0 minus 4a equal to bracket y minus 1 into y greater than equal to 0. So this minus 4y minus 1 is greater than equal to 0. So this negative function, this is property, this y property. Okay, so minus this change to less than to greater than to less than. 4y minus 1 is less than equal to 0. Divide by this 0. Okay, go directly a 0 of y minus y. Is clear? So this value is clear. If any case k, you can directly number line 0. If any y equal to 0, this is also 0. If y equal to 1, this function is less than equal to 0. This equal to 1 minus 1 0. This is also lying 0. If any case 2, so x equal to minus 2 to the 8, or 2 minus 1 so like 8. Okay, less than equal to 0, less than and equal to is not valid. 2 is not valid. Okay, 2 is not valid. 2 is this, so by 2 8. Okay, they verified. So 2 4 is 8, 2 minus 1 into 8 into 8, less than is not equal to less than 0, greater than 0. 8 is greater than 0, not less than. The value of negative, take value negative. So minus 1 minus minus 2, and minus plus. Okay, minus 1 or minus 4 into minus 2 minus plus 2 minus 8. This is also like minus 8 at y equal to minus 8 is less than 0, but y equal to minus 1. So this is a minus 1. Okay, right, and 0, y equal to 1. So 1 minus this 0. So less than equal to 0 is verified. This equal to 1 per v 0. Y equal to 1 and y there. So that is negative value line. So lies interval y belongs to 0 and 1. Less than 1, not equal to 1. 1 is 0. Okay, so less than this 0 comma 1, small bracket and capital brackets. Clear? So the range of f is 0 comma 1, small bracket. This is a range. Clear? Okay, the next question number 7. 7 is a sum difference multiple type question. F real to real, fg such that real to real, define the respective to phi function of x plus 1, g of x 2x minus 3 is also given. Find f plus g. F plus g means f of x plus g of x. This putting value. F of x is x plus 1 plus g of x 2x minus 3, 2x, 3x, 3x and 1 minus 2. That your answer, simple. And find f minus g, x plus 1 minus bracket 2x minus 3, okay, and then x minus plus 1 minus 2x minus minus plus 3 and minus x and plus 1 plus 3 plus 4. That's your answer, okay. And fyg, this fyg means f of x upon g of x, this putting value x plus 1 upon 2x minus 3. That's your answer. Can you solve this type question? Very simple question, okay. And next video will be given to question number 8 to 12, okay. Thank you.